Hey guys, Randy from BellissiMoto here with a beautiful Bimota TESI H2, and here to show you an official Italian workshop tool. Yes, it's as stated in the manual. When the rear brake pressure just doesn't seem to hold and you've bled the brakes a dozen times, sometimes it helps to keep pressure all night. So, nothing like a chunk of wood wedged between the engine case and pressing down. Oh, yes, baby, instant pressure. That, sometimes you just need a good hard piece of wood to get the job done right. Hey, stick with me. I'm going to show you one more cool detail on this Bimota TESI H2. Check it out. This is the undertail, the fender eliminator. And what a cool job this man did. Just, rigged up, custom made his own little mounting plate and bracket, which, not that hard to do. A couple of spacers and, it's a clean job. But notice this thing sticking out? Well, keeping it all nice and legal like, that is his LED license plate light. So, this is a street legal on-the-road bike. Like I said, he's got almost 3,000 miles on it, and he's showing up in riding gear to pick it up and take it for a spin. So he's actually riding it all the way back to Lake Havasu, which is about 2 hours from here. Unless you're on this rocket, then maybe 80 minutes.